Welcome to the online tutoring program by MathScore. Learn with your pace and be smart soon. But before we start to the training session, let me tell you most important thing that 90% of people not confident about themselves, not having trust on the system and not watching this training video completely. If you are one of them, then leave this video now. This is not made for you. If you are really serious about your career and really wants to do something to change your current financial situation, then watch this training session completely. This 30-minute session will bring a marvelous change in your life. These 30 minutes are really precious for you. And there is a surprise bonus at the end of this training session if you attend this training session completely. Let us think about the future. COVID has forced a lot of industries to switch to online. A survey says that during the pandemic, consumers have moved dramatically toward the online channels, and companies and industries have responded in turn. Digital adoption has taken a quantum leap at both the organizational and industry level. To stay competitive in this new business and economic environment requires new strategies and practices, and it brings to the great opportunity to start earning by teaching from home. And that's why you can choose online tutoring as a career. If you are already have some tutoring experience or you are an expert in a particular subject, you can earn by tutoring people online. The global online tutoring market in 2020 is worth 10 trillion rupees and will reach 27 trillion rupees by 2026. So you can imagine that what a huge demand for online tutoring. Online tutoring is nothing but it is a tutoring plus value addition. So you have a doubt in your mind what this training session will cover. I'm gonna tell you a secret to get a massive income as an online tutor, and that is be a Vedic maths trainer without having good knowledge about maths in just 6 weeks and start earning 5-figure amount every week. Yes, every week you can earn up to 5-figure amount. How is this possible? And why I'm forcing you to become a Vedic maths trainer? I know you have a doubt in your mind that you are an expert in a particular subject. Then what is the need to become a Vedic maths trainer? Let me explain you. In radio and TV program Man Ki Baat, Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke to a boy, Usman, and suggested him to study Vedic mathematics to succeed in competitive exam. Later, PM Modi, while talking about new national education policy, emphasized on developing a mathematical thinking and scientific temperament among children. In this context, it would be worth considering the possibility of including Vedic mathematics in new national education policy. It is an era of competition today, both at national and international levels. In the entrance examination for various higher educational institutions, including IITs and IIMs, mathematical ability is measured. Two things are very important here for success, and that are speed and accuracy. And Vedic mathematics is unmatched in addressing them both. And that's why Vedic mathematics is highly demanded for online tutoring. Who is this for? This is for the job professional who wanted to start part-time work to get extra income source. This is for college students who want to get income source by working part-time and by handling their study. This is for housewife who wanted to help her family financially by working from home and by fulfilling all household responsibilities. This is for mother who want to make their child proficient in mathematics. And this is for the grandparents who want to become a magical grandparents for their grandchildren. Let us talk about how a Vedic maths trainer can earn up to 5 figures a week. This brings us to reveal the secret of this training session. The first secret is that become a Vedic maths trainer. Second secret, startup guide for online tutoring. And the third secret is continuous handholding and networking through exclusive Facebook groups. Let us elaborate these secrets now. But before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Mamta Sonone and I am a founder and coach at the MathScore, which is a leading institute in educational field. I am a successful Vedic mathematics enthusiast and career development coach. Here, I am sharing my story with you, how I became a Vedic mathematics trainer. I have completed master degree in mathematics, and since last 10 years, I taught mathematics to school and college students. But to get admission in best college or institute, they have to give entrance exam or competitive exam to secure a good career option. Although they are very good at mathematics, they are not able to crack entrance or competitive exam because they are lacking in a speed and accuracy. So I was wandering in search of speed and accuracy to provide them. Then I found Vedic mathematics more impressive and effective on it. And these students achieved grand success by using Vedic mathematics in the entrance as well as competitive exam. And from then, my journey has started as a Vedic maths trainer. And now I have taught hundreds of students and people to start their career as a Vedic maths trainer. Now it's time to uncover the first secret be a Vedic maths trainer. Let's talk about it. So what are the benefits to become a Vedic maths trainer? It is an independent and rewarding career opportunity. You can work from your home with flexible working hour by managing your job and household responsibilities. You can earn a profitable amount every week up to the 5-figure onwards. You can start your own business within unbelievable low investment. There is no office and no other expenses. Let us discuss about the features of Vedic mathematics. Okay, so first one is their flexibility. In modern teaching, you usually have one way of doing a calculation. This is rigid and boring, and intelligent and creative students rebel against it. Once you allow variation, you will get sort of benefits. Children become more creative. The teacher is encouraging innovation and children respond. In the Vedic system, these are the general methods that always work. For example, a method of multiplication that can be applied to any number. But the Vedic system has many special methods when a calculation has some special characteristic that can be used to find the answer more easily. And it's great when you spot that method. Second feature is that promote creativity. All these features of Vedic maths encourages students to be creative in doing their math. Being naturally creative students like to devise their own methods of solution. The Vedic system seeks to cultivate institution. Having a conscious proof or explanation of a method beforehand, it is not essential in the Vedic methodology. This appeals to the artistic type who prefer not to use analytical ways of thinking. The next feature of Vedic mathematics is increases mental agility. Because the Vedic system uses ultra-easy methods for mental calculation, which is preferred and leads naturally to develop a mental agility. And this in turn leads to growth in other subjects. The next feature of Vedic mathematics is efficient and fast. In Vedic system, difficult problems or huge sum can often be solved immediately. These striking and beautiful methods are just a part of complete system of mathematics, which is far more systematic than the modern system. Vedic mathematics manifests the coherent and unified structure naturally inherent in mathematics, and the methods are direct, easy, and complementary. And the last and the most important feature is methods apply in algebra. Another important feature of Vedic system is that once an arithmetic method has been mastered, the same method can be applied to the algebraic cases of that type. The beautiful coherence between the arithmetic and algebra is clearly manifest in the Vedic system. Let us discuss about how easy and simple tricks Vedic mathematics provides to faster your calculation speed. So here is the first method for subtraction. So I have given one example here, 10,000 minus 6,784. Can you answer this question in just 5 seconds? If you don't know about Vedic mathematics tricks, then you will solve this example like this. Okay, you will write this arrangement, horizontal arrangement in the form of vertical arrangement like this. And then you will subtract this number by using normal subtraction method, just like that, by taking borrowers and then you will subtract that number. Means it gets too much complicated to solve such kind of subtraction. But by using Vedic mathematics trick, you can solve this kind of example within a 5 seconds. How is it? So we have to solve this example by using Vedic mathematics tricks, so that we have to take the first step, that we have to use the concept of all from 9 and last from 10. So here, see the second step. Here, we don't have to consider this 10,000. Okay, we just need to learn this concept, all from 9 and last from 10. So there are 4 digits. You just concentrate on this 4 digit. Okay, there are unit place, tens place, 100 place, and 1000 place. So you have to subtract all these letters, all these numbers from 9 and the last number from the 10. This 3 digit you have to subtract from 9 and the last digit you have to subtract from 10. And this is the meaning of this concept, all from 9 and last from 10. So here 10 minus 4 is 6, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 7 is 2, and 9 minus 6 is 3. So in this way, easily you can get the answer of such kind of equation or example. Okay, so pause this video now and solve these 2 example here, and you will get definitely answer of this subtraction within a 5 second. Okay, I hope you have solved this example within 5 seconds, and I'm gonna solve this example right now. So I am using this concept, all from 9 and last from 10. So the last digit is 9. So I have to subtract this number from 10. Then 10 minus 9, that is equal to 1, and the all numbers, all digits from 9. So 9 minus 4, that is equal to 5. I will write here 5. Then 9 minus 3, that is equal to 6, and 9 minus 2, that is equal to 7. So here is the answer, 7,651. Okay, if you do this subtraction, you will get the answer 7,651. I have solved this subtraction within a 5 second. Okay, and the next one, you have to think about the second number only. Okay, it is 2 digit number, and we have to subtract last digit from 10. Means 10 minus 7, that is equal to 3, and next digit from 9. So 9 minus 6, that is equal to 3, and the next number is not there. That's why we have to write down 9. So this is the answer for the second question, that is 933, and here is the answer within 2 seconds. Okay, so this is very amazing and useful technique to do the subtraction of this kind. Okay, let's take next method now. This is the second method for multiplication. If you don't know Vedic mathematics trick, then how you can do this multiplication? You will write this 35 like this way, and then you will multiply this 23 like this. Okay, so what you have to do? You have to do multiplication of this 3 with this 5, and then this 3 with this 3. Means what? 3 5s are 15. You will write 5 here, and you will take 1 as a carry, and then you will multiply this 3 with 3. 3 3s are 9, and plus 1 10. You will write here 10, and after that you will put cross or 0 below 5, and then you will multiply this 2 with 5 and 3. That is 2 5s are 10, 0 will here, and 1 will be carry. 2 3s are 6, and 1 7. So in this way we got 2 steps here, and now we have to add them together, and then we will get a final answer. Okay, and that is 5 plus 0 5, 0 plus 0 0, and 7 plus 1 8. So in this way you got the answer for this question, that is 3805. Okay, now by using Vedic mathematics tricks, how we can solve within second this kind of example. Okay, so see, here I have given the method to solve this kind of multiplication. Now I'm just explaining how it comes. Okay, so first what we have to do, we have to multiply the unit place digit with unit place digit and tens place digit with tens place digit. Okay, we have written this 3 and 5 like this way, and below 3 and 5 we have written 2 and 3. Okay, now do the multiplication of tens places digit. 3 multiplied by 2, that is 6, and then you have to multiply this 5 with 3. Means you have to multiply unit place digit with unit place digit. Okay, we got these two numbers 6 and 15. Now we have to do cross multiplication here. So 3 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 9, and then 5 multiplied by 2, that is equal to 10. Then you have to add them together. 10 plus 9, that is equal to 19. So these three numbers are very important for us. This 6, this 19, and this 15. Okay. Now, according to the position of that numbers, we have to place them in the answer. Okay. This is the number which is at the extreme left side of that answer. Okay, and this 15 is the extreme right side of the answer, and this is the middle number. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to take this 5 at the extreme right side of the answer. Okay, and after that, this is 2 digit number. This 1 we have to take carry, and add them into the middle number 19. Okay, so 19 plus 1 will become 20. Now take this 0. This 20 is again a 2-digit number. That's why we have to take this unit place digit 0 and place it on the left hand side of this 5. Okay, and this 2 will be carry and this will be add to the 6. Okay, and this 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. We have to write this number here. So in this way you got this answer within few seconds. Okay, without doing any calculation, without learning any table. Okay, so in this way these are very useful and easy tricks to solve this kind of multiplication. Any 2-digit multiplication you can do by this method. Okay, again you have to pause this video and solve this given example right now. Okay, and let's talk about the third method. I'm gonna tell you the third method by using a Vedic mathematics trick. Here you can see digit sum. So first of all, I will explain you what is meant by digit sum. So digit sum means what? If any number given to you, you have to add the digit which are present in that number. Okay, if you got 2-digit number, then add that 2 digit together, and whatever the single digit you will get, that will be the digit sum of that number. So here you can see this digit number is given to you. Okay, means how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. This is 12-digit number. Okay, and if you want to find out digit sum of this number, then we have to add all these digits together. Okay, so let us do that. 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6. Now we have to add them together. So I'm taking 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, and 9 plus 6, 15. Okay, I'm gonna writing here 15. And then these 4 numbers we have added. And then 7 plus 2, 9, and 9 plus 5, 14. We have to take here plus 14. Okay, and after that the remaining digit we have to add. Okay, so this is 8 plus 1, 9, and 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 3, 14, and 14 plus 6, that is equal to 20. Okay, so in this way we got these 3 numbers. Okay, now we have to add them together. So 15 plus 14, that is equal to 29. Okay, if you add them together you will get 29, and 29 plus 20, that is equal to 49. So you got answer here 49, but 49 is again a 2-digit number. We want a single digit. Digit sum means what? We have to get a single digit. Okay, so we have to add this digit together again. Okay, so 4 plus 9, that is equal to 13, which is again a 2-digit number. So 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4, and this is the digit sum for the given number. Okay, now you can see this is very complex and lengthy. Okay, now we will solve this example by using Vedic mathematics trick. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to take the digit whose sums add up to 9. Okay, so here I'm writing now. I'm taking this 3 digit. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. Okay, if we take this 3 digit, then their sum is 9. So we have to cancel them. Okay, after that 7 plus 2, the sum is 9. That's why we have to cancel it. Okay, after that 8 plus 1, the sum is 9. That's why we have to cancel it. Okay, and after that 3 plus 6, that is equal to 9. We have to cancel it. Means we have cancelled the number whose sum adds up to 9. Okay, 9, 9, 9. And after that remaining numbers we have to take. Remaining digit we have to take in the next step. So 6, and here 5, and here 2. Now add them together. 6 plus 5 is 11, and 11 plus 2, 13. So 13, again a 2-digit number. We have to add this digit together. So you will get 4. So in this way easily you got digit sum of this 12-digit number, that is equal to 4. So you can pause this video and try this 3-digit sum right now. I have a guarantee that you have definitely enjoyed these amazing tricks, and there are lots of methods present in Vedic mathematics to solve any kind of complex mathematical example within few seconds, which maintains accuracy as well. So these all techniques are included in Vedic mathematics course. Now let us suppose that you have become a Vedic maths trainer, but how you could earn 5 figures every week? And this brings us to the second secret of this training session, that is Startup Guide for Online Tutoring. Here, I will guide you how you can conduct online coaching smoothly and can get unlimited flow of students. If you are thinking that by teaching on Zoom or any other online platform, you will become a successful online mentor, then it is completely wrong. To build your online academy, you should have to think smartly by avoiding traditional way of teaching. You need to be smart and independent in today's era. Here you can see a system which is not developed by me. It has told by one of my mentor. In this system, we have to use a funnel structure to convert stranger into the form of customers or student. So you can run your classes smoothly. You will grow abundance within a shortest period of time. And it's not fake. It is based on 100% proven strategy. All you need to keep your trust on the system right now. And the third secret is continuous handholding and support networking through exclusive Facebook groups. Now you have uncovered all these three secrets. So what this course will cover? This course for mathematics, Vedic mathematics, will cover all these 4 levels. First one is a basic level, master level, advanced level, and fourth one is grand master level. So this basic level contains the mathematical concept like complements, addition, multiplication, subtraction, special square, magic square, and division methods. You will get all kinds of short methods by using Vedic mathematics system, and you can solve any example from this topic within 5 seconds. The master level contains addition of series, LCM, HCF, average, square root, percentage, cube, and cube roots, and multiplication with this number. Okay, and this also you can solve within 5 seconds. And the third level is advanced level, which contains addition dot method, addition odd series, addition even series, multiplication same unit and tens place digit, and division by this kind of number and square of 3-digit number. And the last and the most important level is grand master level, which contains the concept like fraction, multiplication of polynomials, division of polynomials, quadratic equation, multiplication ending with 1, linear equation, simultaneous equation, factorization, square root of 6-digit number. Okay, so these are the all concepts related to the algebra. And by using Vedic mathematics methods, you can easily solve any algebraic example related to this topic within few seconds. Also, you have attended this training session completely. That's why you are getting a bonus. Okay. And that bonus is you will get worksheet on each and every module and quiz on each module. You can give this worksheet and quizzes to your student also. And the memory technique course, which is completely free for you. And the customer relationship and communication skill course, which will help you to maintain your relationship with your students, and also it will help you to conduct your online classes smoothly. You will learn how to maintain relationship with the parents of the student. And then most important is effective and 100% proven model to conduct online classes smoothly. I'm going to share you my model, my system with you to run your online classes smoothly. And the last and very important thing, marketing methods to generate unlimited flow of customers. If you're starting your online academy, then you will need students, and these marketing methods will help you to get unlimited flow of students by using these tricks. Okay, and this is 100% proven strategy. So why are you waiting for? This is the golden opportunity which will help you to be a financially independent within few days. Just you need to join this remarkable system to overcome on your current situation. If you are ready, then click on the link below to join strategy session with me. And this strategy session will come to know the exact strategy to become a Vedic mathematics trainer and smoothly run your online coachings. So hurry up and book your session now. I am only working with the people whom I know well. Click on the below link to join this session. And thank you for watching this training video completely.